Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Lady Musgrave Road and we are giving you an update on the construction of a massive plaza on Lady Musgrave Road. It looks like it's 3 or 4 stories high with basement parking, and this property is located at 56 to 58 Lady Musgrave Road. There you can see it. Now, this property used to belong to Cygnus Real Estate, and they had gotten a permit to do a commercial development here. But they ended up selling the development. It's being done by the same company that's doing the apartments. What's the name of those? The tallest building in Jamaica right now. The name slipped me, but they are also doing this development. So it should finish sometime next year. The sign has somehow 2025 on it, but I don't think it's going to finish by then. But this is a very good location because on Lady Musgrave Road, you have a lot of commercial buildings. I'm not sure how it's zoned because you have residential apartments, residential homes, and you also have commercial buildings. You even have a hotel on this road. So this is a very busy road in Jamaica, and it's also slated to be upgraded to 4 lanes. They're going to expand it from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And it's so weird because the project to upgrade it to 4 lanes has been approved, funds allocated about 3 years now, and they still haven't started the project yet. I'm not sure what's going on with that project, but it's slated to be upgraded to 4 lanes. And East King's House Road and Lady Musgrave Road are to be upgraded in the same project. And there was some discussion, or a lot of discussion, about changing the name of Lady Musgrave Road because apparently, I'm not sure how accurate this is, but this is what is said. Lady Musgrave Road was named after the wife of a governor of Jamaica. And the road was built because at the time, Devon House was owned by a black person, and so they cut this road to get to King's House. Not sure how accurate that story is, but there was a lot of discussion about renaming Lady Musgrave Road. So guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on what's happening here. The properties at 56 and 58 Lady Musgrave Road in Kingston, Jamaica have been the focus of significant commercial development activities in recent years. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited, through its subsidiary Cygnus REF Jamaica Limited, acquired the 0.6-acre property at 56 Lady Musgrave Road. The acquisition was part of SRF's strategy to develop and enhance the property's value. In March 2024, the National Environment and Planning Agency (NEPA) granted an environmental permit for the construction of a commercial development at 56 and 58 Lady Musgrave Road. The permit was issued to Fritz Warren for the proposed development. By July 2024, SRF announced the sale of the properties at 56 and 58 Lady Musgrave Road. The sale resulted in a gain of approximately $1 billion, reflecting the company's strategic focus on value creation and capital recycling. As of January 2025, the area has seen the emergence of new commercial plazas, contributing to the urban development of Lady Musgrave Road. These developments are part of a broader trend of commercial expansion in Kingston. Alright guys, and that's the end of the update article. And the building that I was trying to remember the name of is the Rogers. So it's the same company that's building the Rogers that's doing this development. And the Rogers is a 20-floor residential building on Waterloo Road, and it is the tallest building in Jamaica as of today. But it will be the tallest until the Pinnacle, which is under construction in Montego Bay, reaches 20 floors, and the pinnacle will top out at 28 floors. So just giving you a little update. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.